Yo! Welcome back mga bossing to Boy Bukas Toy Box, and today's episode we're going to unbox a toy from AliExpress. So this time we're going to see what's the quality, what it looks like to get the toys like in a cheaper price, but maybe the quality is almost the same as the original expensive toys, but too bad we cannot compare it like an apple to apple because we don't have the original one. But let's see what we get here.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
But let's see what we got here. So here we go. And there you go. Look at that box. This is what happened, of course, when you buy it straight from China. So they just put this box inside just like a plastic envelope, right? So just inside a plastic envelope without, protection or anything. So, and they just hope that everything is intact. There's no broken parts or damages inside the toy. So let's take it out. Let's unbox. So you can see how they're still using this, right? So it's not bad. Only the box is. So this is a bootleg toys. I'm totally not recommended it to get your collection from a bootleg or knockoff toys. I just want to see like what it really looks like, what's the quality, and how good or bad this kind of toys. So let's continue. So, okay. So yeah, just to get some closer look inside the box. So okay. There you go. Okay, as you can see here, Luffy, I think this is the Gear 6 power, the Conqueror Haki, which is before just the Gear 5 is just black color. Now it's become so red. I think this is the most powerful Haki he needs to defeat Kaido, right? So as you can see, it's really with the gamma fruit, devil fruits, right? So he obtained this power that's really need a lot of training that he did while in Wano. So the story on this one is really cool. So if you're really a followers of Luffy, I think this is really a cool collection. If you can get the original version of this figure, I think that's really good in your collection. Okay. Looks like they really molded it from the original one. So the shape and like the sculpt, it's really good. But the material is really low quality kind of PVC plastic, I can say. You can notice it on the quality here on the body, like, but with the metallic paint it's really totally cover it. But in this case, I guess there's no real picture, I mean like a paint. This is the actual plastic color. This is like the skin tone, so it's not so good. And there are like the smoke things going on. White here it's not bad, really good. Yeah, the sculpt is I can say it's pretty amazing because they just really molded from the original, I believe. And the paint job, yeah, it's good. There's no overlapping kind of job paint here. And the metallic, yeah, look at those, look like a spray paint kind of a painting, right? They're still good. Yeah. If you're, I think, yeah, just started to collect and maybe just to get a look of what you pay for a cheaper price, this is what you can get, right? So this one, okay, yeah, so you can take it out. As you can see, as you know, right, like a statue figure is really expensive. Maybe also at this big, so I only get it from still worth me like a 40 Canadian dollars. So, but I guess the original maybe like 200, 300 Canadian dollars. So I guess if I display it with the original, I don't think some people can notice it. Maybe even the collectors, unless they really look at it and hold it. But in a display case or shelvings with the lights on, this one really looks original. That's still okay. I can say this is really good. This is really cool. So there you go, my bossing. So maybe if you want me to check out some of the toy line that you can find maybe in Temu or AliExpress, those are knockoff toys, maybe just comment down below, let me know, and we will try to get it from there, and let's see how's the quality and how good it is. So there you go, guys. Let me know what if you want me to open more toy lines from Temu or AliExpress. So once again, guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out.
I'm trying to hide from the demons inside my mind. There's nowhere to go. No matter how hard I try, they show. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. 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 It feels like a curse, 'cause every time when I try to run it hurts.